Crash Course on Missouri State, USA. Geo Location. Missouri is located in the Midwestern region of the United States. It is bordered by 8 states, including Iowa, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. Capital. The capital of Missouri is Jefferson City. Population. As of the latest available data, Missouri has a population of approximately 6.1 million people. Economy. Missouri has a diverse economy with key sectors such as manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, aerospace, and transportation. The state is known for its thriving automotive and aerospace industries, as well as its significant agricultural output, including soybeans, corn, cattle, and hogs. Education. Missouri is home to several prestigious universities and colleges, including the University of Missouri, known as Mizzou, and Washington University in St. Louis. These institutions contribute to the state's strong education system and research advancements. Brief history. Missouri has a rich and complex history. It was part of the Louisiana Purchase Territory and became a state in 1821. The state played a crucial role in westward expansion and the Oregon Trail, as well as being a significant battleground during the American Civil War. Cultures and politics. Missouri's cultural heritage is influenced by its diverse population, including Native American tribes, European settlers, and immigrant communities. The state embraces a variety of cultural traditions, arts, and music. Politically, Missouri has a mix of conservative and liberal ideologies and is often considered a bellwether state in national elections. Interesting stories or examples. The Gateway Arch in St. Louis is a symbol of the westward expansion of the United States. Standing at 630 feet, it is the tallest arch in the world. Mark Twain, one of America's most renowned authors, was born in Missouri. His literary works, including The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, are beloved classics. The Pony Express, a mail delivery service during the 1860s, had a crucial stop in Missouri, connecting the east and west coasts of the United States. Top 12 attractions in Missouri State. 1. Gateway Arch National Park, St. Louis. 2. Forest Park, St. Louis. 3. Nelson Atkins Museum of Art, Kansas City. 4. City Museum, St. Louis. 5. Silver Dollar City, Branson. 6. Missouri Botanical Garden, St. Louis. 7. Grant's Farm, St. Louis. 8. Lake of the Ozarks. 9. Titanic Museum, Branson. 10. Missouri State Capitol, Jefferson City. 11. Mark Twain Boyhood Home and Museum, Hannibal. 12. National World War I Museum and Memorial, Kansas City. Summarize. Missouri, located in the heart of America, offers a blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant cultural experiences. From iconic landmarks like the Gateway Arch to world-class museums and entertainment in St. Louis and Kansas City, the state is a treasure trove of attractions. Whether exploring its bustling cities or immersing in the serene landscapes, Missouri captivates visitors with its diverse offerings. Poem or song. Verse 1. In the heartland's embrace, where rivers flow, lies Missouri, a state we've come to know. From the Gateway Arch to silver lakes so grand, a place where history and beauty hand in hand. Chorus. Missouri, Missouri, where stories unfold. From Mark Twain's tales to cities of gold. With forests and prairies, a nature's delight. In Missouri, let your spirit take flight. Verse 2. St. Louis stands tall with its arch so high, a symbol of progress reaching for the sky. And Kansas City's art and jazz fill the air, a rhythm that echoes, a vibrant affair. Chorus. Missouri, Missouri, where stories unfold. From Mark Twain's tales to cities of gold. With forests and prairies, a nature's delight. In Missouri, let your spirit take flight. Bridge. Hannibal's shores hold Tom Sawyer's charm, while Branson's stage shines bright with its warmth. From museums to parks, a world to explore. Missouri's treasures leave us wanting more. Chorus. Missouri, Missouri, where stories unfold. From Mark Twain's tales to cities of gold. With forests and prairies, a nature's delight. In Missouri, let your spirit take flight. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Insert Booking.com referral link here. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.